Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can undo send emails in Gmail. So the first step that you need to do, you need to enable the undo send in Gmail. You can open your Gmail and then click on this gear icon for settings and then tap on see all settings, and under the general tab you can just look for the undo send options, this one's right here, and then choose the cancellation period between 30, 20, 10, or 5 seconds. So the longer the period, the more time you'll have to undo. I'm going to just set it into 30 seconds, which is the longest. And now you can just scroll down and tap on the save changes. Okay, now you can just send an email and undo it. I'm going to show you how. You can tap on compose in here, enter the recipient and subject. Okay, I'm going to just run A, and now you can just click on send at the bottom, and you can just look for the message send undo. Click on undo in here, undoing. So you need to click undo before the cancellation period ends, and Gmail will reopen the email in the draft state, allowing you to edit or discard it. So in case you are missing something on your emails, you can edit it again. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.